Hello friends, today I will be showing the N7 MILSIM unit, which is slightly different than the electro-pneumatic one. And I will just perform a quick review of it. So as you can see, there's a pneumatic button, and the unit itself is just the same as the electro-pneumatic one, with just little differences. That instead of a solenoid we have this pneumatic solenoid actually, and we have another inlet here. So I must say that you can see here I added some Teflon tape because I had some leaks. I received it, I plugged it in, and I could feel air running out. I don't think that it's good, so I just sealed it. I don't think that unit's supposed to release air not on command. So red line guys, I have no idea what this is. There is no explanation in manual. And you better check out your units for leaks, at all the places. I have added some Teflon here also. The O-rings weren't good enough, but it's a quick fix. I must say that I have the electro-pneumatic unit and it works great, no problem. I tried it on my M249 and it works great. So let's try this one. So I just plug my better air connection. Okay, so let's see. Really nice. So as long as I hold the trigger, it goes backwards. So I can fit my magazine. Let's see if I will just tinker it, like gentle push, like squeeze it and see what happens. Small air, like you can hear it. Oh, okay, here it is. So you shouldn't like squeeze your trigger too gently. Just I can feel the air. Like you can also hear it, of course, because it releases the valve. Okay, yeah, I can make it go mad. Yeah. So it just needed some very gentle touch, and from DMR you can go like full auto. So it's very hard to look at it. It's very you need like be very sensitive for it. Okay, I think it's great, really. Like it's awesome. Like fully pneumatic, closed bolt, just a dream comes true. So a friend asked me a simple question, like how do we replace the nozzle and what the pneumatic solenoid actually looks like. So I'll just take it apart and show it to you. It's simple, I guess. Very good tubing. Let's take it out too. Make life easier. That's the pneumatic. Focus. Alright. That's pretty simple. Well, you can switch it to your electro pneumatic unit. There is a kit for that. Should be very nice. Brought my handy tool. My hands are a bit greasy because the unit comes very well greased with the nozzle and attached it, so very slippery. So I never, this is about the first time I see what goes on inside. Well, that's supposed to be the nozzle. Yep. So I guess when nozzles will be available, this is what you will be changing. It's very simple. Just remember to oil to grease those O-rings. As you can see, the unit comes very well greased. It feels very good quality grease. And you just put it all back together. Okay. And just remember, this is aluminum. Don't tight it too hard. Don't use too much force. Be gentle with it. If you think there is an air leak, just add some Teflon on it, and that's it. Don't use force on those units. This is the precision work. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.